What's up, Block fam? So you guys know I've been doing my research. We've been in that whole research phase about you know, checking out classic cars, and there's been some really interesting developments with Jack at Past and Present Motor Cars. You're good, bro. You're good. Come on. I don't want to interrupt your pace. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos on some of the classic cars that we've been featuring. Man, I don't know what it is about the Trans Am, but it just keeps pulling me back, thinking I'm definitely gonna have to start looking, you know, mid to end 1970s era Trans Am. Just grow out a mullet and, you know, start wearing wife beaters, blasting some Leonard Skinner and all that. We're going to check out a new classic car up at Past and Present Motor Cars. What it is, I'm not really sure, but as soon as we get there, Jack's gonna show us, and we're gonna learn a little bit about it. So, roll the intro, and let's get to it. This is what we're showing you guys today. You guys remember Jack from last time around?
How's it going?
So what do we got today, sir?
What was going to top last week was only an LS6. So we bought you a tuxedo black LS6 70 Chevelle Super Sport.
All right, tell us a little bit about this. What'd you say it was, a 454 LS6?
Yeah, this is a real nice car. This is a black white stripe LS6. It's got the 454 450 horse. Here, I'll show you. This would be considered the holy grail of 70 SS Chevelles. So that 450 horsepower was something to really be proud of in 1970, and that's carried all the way to today.
That's clean.
See a different intake, heat shield, not just a big block, a high horsepower big block.
She doesn't sound as loud, like quite as garbly as the other one. I think the other one had, what, that cam?
The other one had a cam, so that cam was giving that a little different sound. This one's put back just the way it rolled off the factory. So LS6 454, 450 horse, and set up as it rolled off the showroom floor.
Okay. So
a lot of horsepower, a lot of power to the rear tires, you know, posi traction rear end, special rear end comes with these 454 cars as well. And then it's got a great interior that complements it.
So I was asking Dennis earlier, basically these cars, I've looked them up online a bit. You know, I'm just learning. I'm sure a lot of my viewers are learning as well. So I was finding a lot of 350s, 400s, and 450s, but he was saying those are actually the Malibus or the Tributes.
Right, so if you had a small block Chevy, then you knew it was born a Malibu. You know, the SS was a package that added the big block motor and a lot of other neat options. Here, I'll show you. So the Super Sport gives you SS wheels, which are a real nice complement to Malibu wheels, which is more kind of like a rally wheel. The SS gauges, which are the circle gauges instead of a dash that goes all the way across. You got the hood, just like we had last week, the functional cowl induction hood. And these cars are equipped with a 12-bolt rear end, and this one, being a special LS6, has the posi traction rear end as well. Also the 4-speed. This one has an M22. That's the rock crusher. This car has every option somebody could want in terms of performance, and that bench seat's pretty sweet too.
What do you said, a 12-bolt rear end?
12-bolt rear end.
What does that mean?
So that's gonna be the most sought after rear end, and giving it the posi traction. You take a look at that rear end, and then you have the F41 suspension there too. These are all options that the Super Sport had that the Malibus did not, that you referenced earlier. Also boxed rear trailing arms, just a beefier suspension. It's gonna handle better and drive better and be better at, you know, at higher speeds, turns, things like that.
Gotcha. What does SS stand for? Super Sport?
Super Sport.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So what's the history behind this car?
So yeah, I mean, believe it or not, I owned this car in 2016. You and I did a little research earlier and found that on July 25th of 2016, I shipped it to a lovely couple in Denver, Colorado, Kevin and Lisa. And believe it or not, here they are, 2020. They contacted me. They were ready to sell the car, and the car just came back.
So they got about 4 years of
fun and enjoyment,
fun out of it,
and came back. And you know, we love the Chevelles, and this is one I'm proud to have in the garage twice.
Awesome. Yeah, it's beautiful. I like the black, as all my motorcycles. Black and gold, and you know, dark colors.
Yeah, it's stunning. I mean, this is my favorite color combo personally. Tuxedo black, white stripes, black interior.
Yep.
Very, very nice color combo.
So the last one we did wasn't bench seats.
That's correct.
Bucket seats.
That was a Cortez Silver 396. That one had bucket seats and console. You know, we have customers that prefer that. We have customers that prefer the bench. You know, bench is nice. Can, you know, cuddle up with somebody on the bench if you have a significant other to do that with. But you know, a lot of the guys going down the track like to have a bench seat. They like that shifter. If you notice, the shifter handle is a little different on this one. How it kind of curves over the bench seat versus the other one that was with the console last week. So this is pretty nice feature as well.
I actually like the shifter that comes back like that. To me, it seems like it'd be a little easier.
Yeah, it's really nice. I mean, it's just, all these cars have little differences, but all of them are really, really dialed in, nice cars, and you know, we're selling a lot of them. We had an awesome week. We helped 4 families get a new car this week. 3 bought Chevelles from us, and 1 a 69 SS Camaro convertible. So exciting week. We've had a lot of viewers calling and just asking us questions about Chevelles. Not necessarily that they were ready to buy one just yet, but they might have had a lot of questions. And so I fielded a lot of exciting calls this week. People that have been watching your videos and wanted to learn more about these 70 SS Chevelle specifically. So we encourage those calls to keep coming in. We love it. Keep watching our website. We live and breathe Chevelles and old muscle cars, and we love to talk about them.
That's awesome. So all you blockheads that are interested in there, you guys are calling and asking questions. That's awesome. Good job, guys. There was one thing in here that whenever we rode over here, you like shifted and the gauge moved?
Yeah, so you got reverse lockout. And reverse lockout's a pretty neat feature from 1970. You couldn't get the key out of the ignition unless the car was in reverse. It was just a safety feature to keep the key. But through the years, a lot of these cars, you figure they're about 50 years old this year, those features aren't working anymore. What was neat about this one was you were watching the feature work, and I could show you.
Okay. So you got this, shifter comes up and over.
So when you pull it out of reverse, so you see it kind of move up, and now you're in the gear. So you got first, second, third, and fourth, but when you go back to reverse, it moves so you can let the key out.
Oh, that's crazy.
So if you have the key, now you're good. But if you don't have the car in reverse, and it's, let's say, in one of the other gears, and you want to take it out, the key's locked.
Huh.
So just another one of the neat features in the old days.
Interesting. So the why does this come up? Because there's no RPM.
It's moving mechanisms. This one does not have a built-in tack, so this one has a bolt-on tack. So these cars had optional tacks. This one was purchased without.
Gotcha. That's a pretty cool little modification.
Yeah. It also has the more retro radio too, so pretty popular to have not cutting the dash, which is very nice, but have a radio.
Very fitting music.
Most people like just the sound of the car itself. Yeah. That's the best radio.
Yeah, it's the best stress reliever.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna throw my wallet at you. What do you guys think? That's a beautiful car. Y'all know I can't be impartial. Black, woo! If it had gold stripes, I'd buy it right now. You guys drop your thoughts down in the comments below. It sounds good. That last one, that cam makes a big difference, but this one sounds great. All right, guys, so check this out too. Bit of a difference from the last one. So you got the bench seat. The last one, it was a button in the middle of the seat, right? So this one has this lever. Something I thought was cool. Whenever you bend them forward, they kind of lean forward and out of the way, which is pretty neat. Gives us bigger guys more room. Whole seat belt like strapped to the ceiling up here. That's interesting.
Most people are just using lap belts.
All right, so you were talking about some of the other stock you guys have too, right?
Yeah, we just had another 70 396 car come in. Beautiful autumn gold, color code 58. Another bench seat, actually. We're having a bench seat kind of week here.
That's nice.
Car. It's got
I like the
different steering wheel in this one.
yeah, I like that wood on the steering wheel.
Nice car. This one features a vinyl top, which we haven't seen one yet with a vinyl top in your videos. A 67 came in. This one has a 427 4-speed, black. Quite a machine. Probably an 11-second car. Just incredible.
Wow. Yeah, those wheels look nice.
Oh yeah, and it could spin those tires. And sticking with the bench seat theme, beautiful tuxedo black with the dark red interior. Very rare color combination here.
That's nice.
And then we just had a 67 Camaro come in. It's got air. Nice car.
So it's got air?
It's got air conditioning.
Wow.
You know, we got some customers that love the air conditioning in these old hot rods.
Especially right now.
Oh yeah, it's like summer today. Beautiful car as well.
327?
327.
What is this?
Helping a friend sell a car in Optima. We got our pickup truck over there, 90 SS with a 502 crate motor. We've got another 67 SS 138 VIN with a 454 in it. Got a Corvette, speaking of helping friends. We got a 68 big block 396 4-speed. And then, you know, until you take it home, we got your Trans Am here. Get a little dirty. Time to wash it.
Yep.
But a 79 Trans Am with 34,000 original miles. Beautiful car.
Yeah, so I was talking to him about liking cars, and I was saying the Trans Am keeps pulling me back, as well as like the 70 Camaro split bumper. It's just that body style. It's like my my trailer trash, mullet wearing inner self just is like gravitating me towards this for some reason.
All these cars and everything coming and going, all the testimonials. We're even doing a blog. We're doing a frame off restoration on a 69 Camaro SS convertible right now. All that can be seen on our website, pastandpresentmotorcars.com. We also have ChevelleSupersport.com. That'll get you to us as well. And take a look, please, you know, call, email us, text us, anything we can do to help you with talking about old cars. We love them. So call, text, write anytime.
Links and all that stuff down in the description below, same as last time around. You guys really seem to enjoy that video, so we're gonna keep it up. We've got American Harleys. We've got American Muscle. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
So hope you guys enjoyed that one. That was a hell of a car, man. Freaking LS6 1970 Chevelle SS. Whew, just beautiful car. Coming up, we are going to be following them on a couple of restorations, so you guys will see in the coming episodes. We'll be checking that out. To me, that's super cool because we get to see the car like before it's super nice, like that
you know, LS6 Chevelle was, and we get to see it whenever it's kind of just the frame and, you know, the body and it getting built up. So get to see where they come from, where they start. I hope you guys are as stoked about these episodes as I am. I'm learning an absolute ton. I'm super grateful to have the opportunity to be able to check out and team up with past and present motor cars. I think it's a really cool opportunity, once again, provided to me, you know, because of the channel. So thank you guys. I know a lot of you guys do enjoy these episodes because you're seeing cars that like you kind of grew up with, and it's kind of nostalgic. It's super cool for me because, you know, I'm getting to learn an absolute ton. I've always been interested in classic cars. I've never really like had the opportunity to learn a ton about them, except like reading stuff online or looking up reviews and stuff online. But being able to see them and learn about this stuff in person is just freaking awesome. Closed until further notice. It's also kind of a new challenge to me in terms of creativity, feeling like creatively fulfilled, which I'm going to talk to you guys in an episode in the future about that, because that's something that I've been wanting to kind of let you guys see, that side of I don't know, my thought process, I guess. Anyways, thanks again to the guys up at Past and Present. Much appreciated. Y'all be sure to go check them out. If you do, tell them Blockhead sent you. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit the bell icon also, so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Until next time, you guys ride safe, drive safe. We'll catch you guys in the next one. We'll wait. We'll wait till we pull off here. Get that proper wrap out. I should have gone before the Mustang, but I don't want him to hit me because Mustangs are known for being crowd control devices. Okay, goodbye.